To create a budget in Wally, start by downloading and installing the Wally app on your mobile device. Once installed, launch the app and create an account if you haven't already. Wally is a personal finance app that helps you track your expenses and create a budget. The first step in creating a budget in Wally is to set up your income. Tap on the Add Income button and enter your monthly income. You can add multiple sources of income if you have more than one job or receive income from other sources. Next, you need to track your expenses. Wally allows you to link your bank accounts and credit cards to automatically track your expenses. You can also add expenses manually by tapping on the Add Expense button. Categorize your expenses into different categories such as housing, transportation, and food. Now, create a budget by setting financial goals. Determine how much you want to spend in each category and set a target. Wally will help you track your spending and stay within your budget. You can also set reminders and alerts to notify you when you go over budget. To make the most out of Wally, regularly review and adjust your budget. Check your spending habits and make adjustments as needed. Use the app's analytics and insights to identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. Best practices for creating a budget in Wally include regularly tracking your expenses, setting realistic financial goals, and adjusting your budget as needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a budget in Wally that helps you manage your finances effectively and achieve your financial goals.